Hey, what's up guys? I was sent this EDC flashlight for free so I can open it up and check it out and let you know what I think about it. So I'll go ahead and take it out of the box, and as you can see it's 1,000 lumens is what it's rated at. And you slide it out, it comes with the manual, everything you want to know about it. And take the contents out. So this of course looks like a wrist strap that will be used to attach it. Attached to the flashlight or the EDC light itself. Then it does come with its own charging cable, and it comes with a key ring here, and then the main event, the actual light itself here. So it has 2 buttons on the side. Okay. Ooh, that's loud. Sorry about that. So I'll take these end covers off so you can see up a little closer. Again, here's the light. That's definitely really bright. I'm shining it in my back room and it's crazy. I can't believe it. Even with the lights on, it's putting out so much light. Oh, and then it looks like on the back it has a magnet, you can see. So magnet back there, there's your speaker for that loud noise you just heard. And here is the charging port there. And then I'll just show you up close again. So that's for the noise, and that button is for the light. And the other thing for you to notice is that it does say hot right here. And I imagine because this light is so powerful that this will get a lot of heat. So be careful of that while you're using it. And then I'm just noticing too, the actual light on here can rotate up and down. So let me turn that on so you can see. So that's pretty cool. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. I just thought about it. I'm gonna try to shine this light behind me on this back wall. I don't know if you can see that or not, but hopefully you can. But anyway, it seems like a really cool light. I mean, it's super bright. I think for me, I like to go out and do like camping and stuff out in the yard in the dark and stuff. And it's like super compact. So I feel like for me, I'll be able to put this to a lot of good uses all over the place. So, I mean, for the price it is, I definitely think it's a good product and a good buy.